You're good. No doubt about it. But I wonder if you can handle this.
An oar? You can't be serious.
Any samurai can swing a sword. Masters improvise. Good. Come on, don't bore me now. Every move you make, I've seen before.
Guess I'll have to improvise.
That's it. You've learned my technique.
The secret of your technique is to make things up?
I cannot stop what I cannot predict. True invincibility lies in improvisation. You nearly killed me. What a feeling.
Did you take a blow to the head?
If I have, it has knocked sense into my soul. I have a reason to train again. I'll wait for you at the top of the world. Master my 5 teachings. Then come find me. The next time we meet, I'll be ready for you.
If we meet. Goodbye, Takezo.